Hey everyone, welcome to Falcon Fitness channel. Today we're going to dive into a killer pole art move called the Superman, and I'm pumped to show you how to rock it. Alright, let's get into the Superman stance. First off, we start from the ground, pushing up and getting those thighs to grip. Inner thigh action, people. Legs are gonna cross over, one's going high, the other's ducking low. Picture your thighs twisting up like you're in a thriller movie. Next, we're practicing the move from the floor. Think of it like you're slingshotting yourself. You're gonna swing that left thigh onto the pole, latch on tight. Swing that upper thigh around in a half moon and lock those legs together. Time to twist that torso. Third base, we're hitting that extended hang. If you're like, what's that? Don't sweat it, I've got a link in the description. Fourth, we're all about that hand placement. It's like setting up chess pieces. Fifth, we're sorting out that lower leg position. Hook that bad boy with your inner thigh and open up like you're showing off to the ceiling. Sixth step. We're dropping the torso and swinging that top leg from the hang into our Superman, swooping through a half moon. And for the grand finale, drop that lower hand and lean back into that curve, striking a line as straight as an arrow with your body. Our Superman's on lock. Hope you found this vid super useful and a blast to watch. You've just unlocked the Superman move in PoleArt. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, smash the like, and ring that notification bell. This is Falcon Fitness signing off. Catch you on the flip side.